Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Jeep Wrangler rear turn signal. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new turn signal bulb. Make sure your Jeep is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. This simple repair can be done quickly with just a few steps, saving you time and a trip to the mechanic. Now, let's access the old bulb. On the inner edge of your Jeep Wrangler's taillight, you'll find two screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should slide out smoothly, revealing the bulb sockets behind it. With the taillight assembly free, locate the turn signal bulb socket. It's usually the amber one. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Now, gently pull the old bulb directly out of the socket. Insert your new bulb firmly, ensuring it's seated correctly. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the taillight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Carefully align the taillight assembly with its mounting points on the Jeep and push it firmly back into position. Reinstall the two screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. Finally, turn on your Jeep and test the new turn signal to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.